Oh, hi there, fellows. Today I'm going to talk about animals and their food. Let's look around. Oh, bird. Hmm, that's a big bird. A hawk. Oh, that's a tiger. Or you can call it a leopard. They have different kinds of food. A bird eats two kinds of food, and leopard eats only one kind, meat. And that's a monkey. It eats bananas. Let's see what other animals. Robin, a bird, eats berries and worm. Warthog, roots, mushrooms, eggs, and dead animals. Rabbit's food is vegetables mostly. Then we have the cow. Cow eats grass. That's its main food. Then we have the spider. Spider eats the flies. Insect. Snail eats fruits and leaves as well. A sharkfish eats and feeds itself with other fishes, small fishes. A hawk eats birds, snakes, and rodents. Then we have the squirrel, eats fruits, nuts, insects, and eggs. Then we have the bear, berries and nuts, honey, bees, and insects. The goat eats grass and flowers. Crocodile, buffaloes, and birds. This is its main food. And the jaguar, its monkeys and antelopes.